Flexible Hoses Range by Tecnica srl. Tecnica's offer is based upon raw materials such as coated fabrics, extruded polymers, and vulcanized products developed to meet different applications. Each application has its own product and its optimal solution. In order to identify the most performing product, it is necessary to consider the conditions of use to which the hose is subjected and the application for which it is intended. The abrasive action exerted on the hose walls based on the size and concentration of the particulate transported. The operation temperature to which the hose is subjected, also considering its work cycle. The presence of industrial fumes, vapors, or mists, considering also their aggressiveness degree and concentration within the airflows. The operating pressure to which the hose is subjected, which can cause deformations and irreversible damage to the external wall. The operating vacuum, which, unlike the pressure, can cause hose crushing, affecting the system efficiency. Tecnica also offers 6 different material formulation solutions in order to meet the specific needs of individual systems for various sectors of application. Tecnica provides dedicated assistance in finding the most suitable technical solutions and advice in manufacturing choices. This allows to identify the most suitable product or customize it based on specific requirements. In the industrial department, air treatment is essential for the proper development of the production processes. Tecnica flexible hoses offer specific possibilities based on customer needs, application, and treated particulate or substance. Tecnica, with its range of flexible hoses, supports many sectors and industrial departments, deeply connected and, in many cases, complementary to each other. Offering our customers safe and reliable products is essential. For this reason, our company and raw materials for the manufacturing of our products comply with the main national and international certifications and standards. Tecnica – Efficient Indoor Air Project.